double chocolate macadamia nut cookies. Take one. All right, guys, we are doing this. So first off, we have 1 stick of butter going in. 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Bam. And 1/4 cup of sugar. And we are going to mix our butter and sugars up. Cream them up real good. This should take 5 or 6 minutes. So it's not just a quick thing. Everything gets all creamy and changes a little bit of a color. Hope everybody's doing well. Spring right around the corner. We're looking forward to. Staying lighter later. That's good.
Awesome. Except for the snow we got right now.
Yeah, we just got 2 inches of snow. They said it was supposed to quit snowing this morning like 10 or 11 o'clock, and here it's almost 6 and still snowing. Not all day. At least we're not getting what New York is. Them poor people. Alright, we'll mix this up and we'll be right back. Alright, got that all mixed up. And now we're going to put in 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla or so. Okay. All right, now we've got 1 1/4 cup of flour, and we're going to put in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Pour that in there. And 1/3 cup of cocoa. You can use the dark, you can use just the regular Hershey's cocoa, whatever you want to use. And a pinch of salt. Woo. You can put some espresso powder in here if you want. Time to get thick. Alright, got that all mixed up. And now we got some add-ins. We've got 1 cup of macadamia nuts. I chopped those up a little bit. These are hard to chop up. And then 1 cup of chocolate chips. You use whatever you want. You can use all dark. You can mix them. I have some semi-sweet. And then I have white. So, let me get something to stir these up with. So we're just going to stir these in here. And then I got my oven preheated at 350. And we're going to bake them for probably 10 minutes or so, 10 to 12 minutes. These all mixed up in here. All right, got my bacon cheese. And this is my big cookie scoop. Look at that, smell good.
Look like they got marshmallows in them.
Yeah, well, that makes some Rocky Road cookies. You gotta freeze your marshmallows when you make those. All right, we're gonna put some of these on there. Those don't look like they have any on the top. All right, going in the oven, 350 degrees for 10-12 minutes. We'll be back. All right, took them out of the oven. They took about 12 to 13 minutes in my oven. So we're going to let these cool, and then we're going to do a taste test. So hang on. Hey guys, I lost my pet mouse Elvis. He got caught in a trap and he can't get out.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha.
So funny.
All right, we're going to do a taste test. And if you know me, I'm not much on chocolate, but I like Hershey's, so we'll see what we got here. And Billy would love these. And so do I. These are delicious. That macadamia nut and that cocoa.
Dunk them in some cold glass of milk.
Yes. See, like I said before, I'm not much on chocolate, but I do like the cocoa. So this is a yes for me even. So that's good. And Billy's been drinking raw milk, so that's what he would dunk him if he was eating them. He's still not eating sugar. I can't even get him to taste test. I was like, I will.
I love that raw milk.
He's been finding it. We have a little, it's called Hirsch's Fruit Stand. They have 2 of them in Chillicothe, Ohio. And one of them is behind Olive Garden. They have a little gift shop in there. And they have people bring in different things like for consignment. And one of my friends, her daughter and son, her daughter-in-law and son have a dairy farm. So they've been bringing in pet milk. So that's what we've been buying. It's for our pets.
Mm-hmm.
And they have a thing called herd share. Yeah, Billy's dog. They have a thing called herd share that you can buy into, which you're buying part of that cow, and then they can sell you milk for human consumption. It's $10 a gallon. You have to have a minimum of 4 gallons per month. So, and I don't drink milk, so I don't know. He has been going through a gallon a week.
Yep.
We've been going and buying it, so we'll see. If he keeps up with that, then we'll have to get into that herd share. But if anybody else likes raw milk or know anything about it, leave us a message.
Let us know if you like it or not.
Yeah. Has all kinds of good benefits for it.
Oh, it's so good for you.
I know when I was a baby, I couldn't tolerate milk. And Mom took me to the doctor, and old Doc Stewart there in Kingston, he had Mom put me on goat milk, and I could tolerate that. To this day, I still can't tolerate milk. And
I bet you could tolerate this raw milk, though, if you drink it.
So that's how it's supposed to be.
For you.
So if you can't tolerate regular milk, you're supposed to be able to do that. So like I had goat milk when I was a baby. So just a little tidbit. So guys, hope you like this video. Simple, easy recipes. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype. And thank you guys, everybody. We love you. And thanks for watching us. And have a great day. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gator.